Tobin tax, if I talk about the purpose of imposing, so ultimately Tobin tax, first of all remember that this is given by James Tobin, the name of the person, that is why we call it Tobin tax, okay, and this is a proposal only, okay. Now whatever Tobin tax is, now you know that share market runs on speculation, okay, share market runs on speculation, so you know the behavior of, you can say, if you see the behavior of you can say investors, so whenever they speculate, so for example they invest in Indian share market today, but by the evening they found that European or US share market is giving better returns, so what they will do, they will withdraw their investment, okay, and this investment they withdraw on the basis of speculation, okay, so they have a speculation that US economy or US share market will give more returns, okay, so they withdraw. Now what Tobin says, that due to such speculation, investors, means foreign investors, used to withdraw money, okay, okay, very, or you can say in a fast manner, so they want to stop such speculation, so they says, if foreign investor is investing money in some in you can say in stock market in anywhere in the world, so they must have to hold their money for some time, okay, if they withdraw before that time period, then Tobin tax will be imposed, okay, so ultimately they want that foreign investor must hold their investment in global stock market, okay, for a time period, okay, so hold for certain time period, okay, so if they withdraw, if they withdraw before certain time period, comma, then Tobin tax has to be paid, then Tobin tax has to be paid, clear. So this is what you have to understand with respect to Tobin, clear, this is what you have to understood with respect to Tobin, okay, so ultimately this is what with respect to Tobin, so ultimately we can say this Tobin tax want to put a check on speculation, so this is what you have to understand, clear.